Alright guys, welcome back to Underground Science, and in this video we're going to be talking about breast and ovarian cancer, specifically relating to a defect in homologous recombination DNA repair. Alright, so remember in the previous video we just finished talking about the fact that we need BRCA1 and BRCA2 proteins, right, BRCA1, BRCA2 proteins in order to even do homologous recombination, which is a double-stranded DNA repair mechanism, right? So first of all, BRCA1 and BRCA2, right, those proteins are coded by BRCA1 and BRCA2 genes, okay? Those BRCA1, BRCA2 proteins, like we just said, is critical. Those proteins are critical for double-stranded DNA repair. Specifically, like in the previous video, we were relating BRCA1 and BRCA2 proteins to homologous recombination double-stranded DNA repair. So if you have a BRCA1, BRCA2 gene mutation, right, where you can't produce functional BRCA1 and BRCA2 proteins, BRCA1, BRCA2 proteins, then that means you can't repair DNA properly, right? Especially like, in homologous recombination or double-stranded DNA repair. Overall, that means you cannot repair DNA properly. Okay, so if you can't repair DNA properly, then that puts you at a higher risk for cancer, especially breast cancer and ovarian cancer. All right, so just a quick review, okay? Why is a BRCA1 mutation or a BRCA2 gene mutation bad? Okay, because these mutations means you can't have functional BRCA1 and BRCA2 proteins. Why are BRCA1 and BRCA2 proteins like important? Because we just said that these proteins are involved in double-stranded DNA repair. So if you don't have functional BRCA1 and BRCA2 proteins, you can't properly repair DNA, right? If you can't properly repair DNA, then that means you have a higher chance of getting, cancer. And those cancers that we should know that are related to BRCA1 and BRCA2 are breast cancer and ovarian cancer, okay? Those are related to BRCA1 and BRCA2 gene mutations where you don't have functional BRCA1 and BRCA2 proteins, all right? So that's BRCA1 and BRCA2, BRCA1 and BRCA2, and its relationship to breast and ovarian cancer. All right, in the next video, we'll talk about Fanconi anemia and how that's related to homologous recombination double-stranded DNA repair. All right, so see you guys there. Thanks for watching.